So guys, let's start with a pull rope assembly. See if we can get that on real quick before we do the sprocket swap. I think we've got to take this off first. That's my guess. The reason I say that is because it came with this part right here. The recoil did. I screw it on there, put that on, it doesn't fit. Let's try and take this off first. Well, it doesn't look like this is going to work either, guys. That's it. I've had enough. I've got to tell you the truth. Nothing's worked. I've already went and tried to put the gears on, guys. I lied to you. It didn't work. This wasn't going to be the first thing I did right here. Big day playing, fat birds. We're getting ready to re-gear this campsite poop shuttle. It's going to be great. It's going to have so much torque. It'll smoke the tire, pull wheelies, whatever we want to do with it. I also got a pull start for it. We'll see if we can get that to mount up on it.
It's the remix to ignition, hot and fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every man in here wishing.
First thing we got to do is get this wheel off so we can take this sprocket off in here. Look at that, guys. It's a one-way roller, see? Cool. Uh-oh. There she goes. There she goes. Loosen her up. Oh. Easy enough, guys. Let's see if we can get this sprocket off right here. Those 4 bolts. Hex heads, whatever you want to call them. Alright, guys, and I was showing you that one-way clutch. That'll make it easier to get these hex bolts out because I don't have to hold the sprocket. Nice. So you see the difference in size we're going with. And we also have another issue. It looks like the centers are not the same size. And I don't know if the holes are going to line up either. We're going to have to deal with that. Yikes, guys. Sometimes, you know, you just get caught up in the moment. You want to finish something. You want to see it work. Whatever. Let me show you what we got, guys. Yep, she's flopping around pretty good, but I'm going to slam it on her anyways and see if it works. So guys, I knew we'd have a very close tolerance right here with the chain and the frame, but I think it's going to clear it. But it is very close. We'll see how it goes. I'll cut the chain, tighten it up, see what happens. One other thing I wanted to point out about this mini bike, there's a shock under here. A coiled shock fits right under here under the swing arm. Pretty cool. I would like to show it to you guys, but it's compact under there, and it's, you know, there's guards and stuff blocking it. I'll try to get you in there. You can just barely see it right there, guys. The coil spring inside of there makes that swing arm work. Pretty cool. And it was at this point in the game, guys, that I had realized my mistake. That sprocket was a number 35 sprocket and a number 35 chain, which I just assumed was on this mini bike, and I was wrong. It has like a bicycle chain on it and a bicycle sprocket. So I wasted my entire morning, guys, trying to get this thing in order so that we could run it, pop wheelies, burn rubber, you know. But it just didn't work out, guys, and that's life. I've got to make some decisions on what we're gonna do with this thing. I'm either gonna change the engine on it, or we'll get a sprocket that'll match it. I just can't decide, guys. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think I should do with it. If you hadn't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, guys. We don't always screw up here. And hit the notification bell. Don't forget to do that. Guys, we'll see you next time.
Say bad, bad baby.
Bad, 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 baby.